What is up, amigos? This is Zee Moto here again. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. This is my 2020 Yamaha R6, those of you who are new to my channel. Today is the Memorial Day weekend and I'm out here vlogging again. It is absolutely a beautiful day. I have a few updates for my channel and I just wanted to vlog. I've been riding for almost 50 miles. I'm extremely exhausted, but you know, I like vlogging, I like sharing, I like talking about this bike. So here I am. So we are here in the city of Mission Viejo. This is a really nice city. I like coming here. It's very peaceful, calm. I like the roads. It's not that messed up. It's one of those cities, it's clean, it's quiet, and it's fun. I believe this is called the Ortega Canyon. Oh, here goes the Orange County Sheriffs. Actually, it's funny because I think there was a CHP officer that was following me, or he got out of the freeway. He was hanging around with me for a little bit. I recorded him. I'm going to go ahead and put that video, that clip, I guess, in the beginning of this video. But yeah, on top that you guys see are $1 million homes. It's very expensive. It's very pricey. This part of Orange County, it's beyond expensive, and it's crazy how it works here. But anyhow, life is wonderful. You know, I hope you guys are grinding, hustling, working on your goals, just like I am. June is almost here, and May is about to end. This year is going really fast, and I kid you guys not, it absolutely crazy. But other than that, let's get into this vlog. It's not going to be a cold start because the motorcycle is warm already. Oh, crackles. Oh my god, I can't get it over this thing. Oh, there's other bikers. Let's go. So there is a what's the key word? There is a bar, I believe, that a lot of bikers come here. That's why you guys saw those guys. I saw a few bikers too. It's been a couple months that I've been here. Last time I was here when I got tested positive for C virus. You guys can go ahead and check the vlog. I have to be a little bit more careful with speeding here. I mean speeding with my speed, because there's a lot of cars. I might record some flybys here about my other camera. It's a little bit difficult when you don't have anyone to record it for you, but eventually I will. We'll have someone. But I have a few news, good news actually. First but not least is about this bike. We absolutely hit 4,028 miles. So this bike has about 4,000 miles already, which means next weekend I have to go for a oil change. I'll be changing the filter, the oil change. That'll be getting done next weekend. Oh, here goes the bikers. I was telling you guys, yep, that's where it is. That's where you see these people coming in and stuff. Oh, that's the bar that I think it's a bar / restaurant that all these guys, biker riders go. It seems very famous. More likely, I would say like a lot of cruisers. Yeah, Crook's Corner. Yeah. But other than that, so it hit 4,000 miles, and we'll be focusing on the oil change, the filter change. Oh, I like the sign says "watch for motorcycle riders." I like that. So yeah, we will be changing the oil change, chain cleanup, and a filter. So 3 things at once. That's what we'll be focusing on. It is so windy. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Last but not least, the second big news about this bike, I ordered the completion works. I think it's competition work, whatever. If I'm saying the name wrong, correct me on the comments. I ordered a slip-on. I finally did it. That is a total of a $915 exhaust with tax and everything. That exhaust is going to change the game for this bike. It gives it on the chart dyno. I saw it on their website that gives it 4.89 horsepower, increasing the horsepower 4.89. So the total of this bike is going to be pushing about 121 horsepower. That's without a tune. So if you tune it, that'll be another extra 5 to 7 horsepower can be added. So that'll be looking at this R6 pushing about 127 if it gets a tune. But I specifically chose that what's this called, exhaust, because I had so many close calls, people don't pay attention here, and I wanted it for more. Oh, wait a minute, what's happening here? Out of here. Okay, I don't know what was happening there. Anyhow, so that exhaust is going to give this bike that horsepower and the sound. I kid you guys not, there's one guy on YouTube, I forgot his name. He has a blue R6 2017 one. He installed it and he did some flybys and some drive-bys. And then it sounded amazing. It does like what's this called, crackles and pops. The bike does. Even I don't think he tuned it, and I kid you guys not, it's just a slip-on, and it makes that deep sound. Like, it sounds way better than the SC Project exhaust. That's just like my opinion, but I kid you guys not, I'm really excited for it, and I'm definitely going to get it. I bought it. That's what I bought it for. I haven't seen a lot of videos on it, and that video doesn't do any justice that he posted, but it sounds amazing. I saw the videos on Resvela.com too. There has good reviews, and it's unique. The sound is unique, and I want it. I know it's not a full slip-on, and some people will say, why would you spend $900 on a slip-on? It's stainless steel, it's made in the USA, and it cannot get better than that. And I wanted that. I really wanted I want a unique sound, and I want a deep sound. I want people to hear me coming, and I want that unique look. So that's why I bought it. So that's the second good news. It's coming, and when I'm gonna go for my oil change and filter and everything, that's when that's gonna get installed as well. I'm gonna get it done all of it at once. And I think it's gonna be amazing. You know, that next vlogs, you guys are gonna like it. I'll do some flybys. You will see the difference. You will see how sick it looks. Oh my god, especially the color combination is gold and my bike is black. It's gonna look amazing. I mean, the guy who had it, he has a blue one. It looks good too, but I feel like gold and black, it just changes the bike like completely. I'm satisfied and happy with this exhaust, but it's time for a change. And something that I said it on my previous vlogs, I mean, that I need something like that changes the game of the performance, something that is gonna make me a little bit more how should I say, is visible on the road, because these California riders, I mean California drivers, I kid you not, they're aggressive, they don't pay attention. I already had a car accident. I imagine if I was on my bike, I don't think I'll be alive today. So yeah, that's one of the biggest reasons. This performance is going to make me more visible, and I personally feel like CHP officers or some of the police officers who might be watching me or on they're into bikes, they're cool with you if you're not doing like crazy stuff. If you do crazy stuff and you're putting people's life in danger, of course you're going to get pulled over. Of course you're going to get tickets. Like there's no, you can't run away from that. We all know that. So I always tell this to people, you know, just stay in your lane, ride your ride, like Timothy vlogs, he always says that, ride your own ride. Sorry, I'm coughing. You know, focus on your safety. Focus on your safety. Focus on making yourself a better rider, and then next thing you know, you're gonna be like beating everyone. But other than that, yes, I know I'm going really fast. I might be speaking a little bit faster, but I'm just really excited, guys. I can't wait for that exhaust to come in. Yes, it cost me about $915. Who cares? You know, it's about making your bike unique. It's about getting that performance, you know. Maybe I will tune it later on too. But as far as that goes, I kid you guys not, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to get that exhaust on and just go for long rides. I already did 50 miles today. By the time I get home and everything, I might have like 100 miles, but that's why we ride, you know. That's why we love riding. Riding gives us this feeling that nothing can give us. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video. You know, subscribe to my channel, and you know, keep coming back for more vlogs. Yeah, so far so good with this bike. Last but not least, I know I might have said it, this bike has been good to me. No problems. I don't hear any problems. I mean, I don't notice any problems. It's been good, so life is good. I'm happy. I'm extremely happy. Oh, there's another R6. I'm extremely happy, and can't complain. But other than that, I'll let you guys go. I hope you guys have a great one. And let me know in the in the comments below. Let me know if you're willing to spend about 900 bucks on a slip-on, or you want the full system. I know some of you might say, why did you get the full system? But again, that slip-on, it's something else. For now, that's what I want, and maybe in future we will get a full system. But for now, we're gonna focus on that exhaust that's coming next week, and that next vlog is going to be about that exhaust. Other than that, I'll let you guys go. Have a good one. Ride safe. Have a great Memorial Day. And thank you for all the veterans. Thank you for all the U.S. forces who serve for this country. Don't forget that. Don't forget that, guys. And other than that, have a great day. I'm going to keep riding. Enjoy this beautiful weather. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.